Okay.
Hi, welcome back to Patriot Woodworker. I'm Tim Treast. So right in the middle of a project, came across an issue where I need 2 more tools. Yay! So went online to Amazon and got those tools. What I got is a scroll saw and a what is it? A wind isolating spindle sander. So I thought I'd go ahead and do an unboxing. Never done one of those before. So let's begin. Huh? What?
I was gonna say you've done them, you just haven't videoed them.
Oh, true. I've done plenty of unboxings, just never videoed it.
Tigger's very interested too.
Directions, which we'll put off to the side. Hopefully never use.
Typical men.
Of course. It's packaged well. Hey, the table's already tilted at 45. I was doing some pretty tight corners, trying to do an inside deal where I need to hog it out, and the bandsaw just was not cutting it. Get it? Why did we back up a cord? What's this thing? Used for packaging only. Please discard after unpacking.
It wasn't attached to anything.
It was just sitting there on the top tray of the styrofoam thing.
I wonder where it was supposed to be, what it was supposed to keep still during shipping.
I don't know.
Crazy.
It's weird. Oh, nifty. So we got a flexible light thing, and this.
So a vacuum?
I think it's a
blower.
I think it's a blower. Oh, that's weird. That's really weird.
What?
I don't know what. Look at that. So.
Okay, hang on.
I made that dirtier.
It's just got some grease on it. From like, it's rubber.
No, don't you get it? The more you touch it, it goes black. But yet your fingers aren't black.
It's got some kind of waxy film. It's like, it's grease, baby.
It's just weird.
It's grease.
Little things amuse me.
That's what makes life enjoyable.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll set that up later. Now let's do the spindle sander thingy.
It was me playing with that. Sorry.
Okay?
Yeah.
More directions?
That wasn't me. No.
Nifty. Little Frisbees. Sure. Looks like this is the smallest spindle sandy thingy that there is. So,
Technical terms.
very technical terms.
Hey, did you order extra sandpaper by any chance?
No.
Well, you have some for every size.
Right. So the smallest looks like it's about 3/4 inches. I wonder if I can get extra of these things and do different grits. That'd be fun.
Well, I'm sure you can. You could preload them with sandpaper and then just swap them out at will.
Rubber.
No, thank you.
I'm weird.
Ugh. Wow, for me to get that smell out of my nose. It's like a tire.
I know.
But bad.
That's fine. Hey, that's about how it is. Pretty simple. Hey, wait a tick.
Do what?
Well, if that was the smallest one, then
Maybe that one doesn't require a rubber piece.
where's the thingy?
Look at you. Do you have a?
Maybe it's already on here.
Do you have a list of? Yeah, it's probably that. Do you have an inventory list?
Oh, I don't know, probably.
Or the bomb?
Huh?
Bomb.
Bomb, yes.
Bomb.
Throwing our work terms around here. So, looks like we got the main spindle. Then we have all kinds of storage back here for your extra sanding discs. Enough.
That's gonna work.
Right?
No problem. Oh, it's a couple.
This is the part for the scroll saw. Wow, those blades are tiny.
Blades.
Yeah.
For
For the scroll
oh,
saw.
for that.
Yeah.
You're mixing your two things together, dude.
Yeah, I know. What do you mean?
I thought.
What's wrong with that?
No, nothing. You go.
It's one big video, right?
You do you, baby. Look at that. That's crazy. Here. How tight can we zoom in?
I don't know. It's all blurry now, but
It's blurry now, but here, let me see. It's very tiny. that the smallest one?
Well, they're all the same size.
Oh, okay. I thought you were thinking saying they had different sizes.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
So comes with three.
Well, there's one
Comes
on.
with two.
There's one on it.
Hey, it's one on it, so it does come with 3. And then I'll have to actually look in the directions to find out what this stuff is.
Clamps for something.
Well, now I'm curious. So,
Yeah, might as well get
what's
it
with
over
this
with.
guy? Oh, cool. So the main spindle is the inner sleeve for it.
Somebody's smart.
Yay! College. I can't get this nut on. I'm not. Whew. Yay. Voila. So now my project can resume. And I'm not going to go into what it is that I'm doing. That'll be another video. So when you see these 2 wonderful products from when, look back to now, and then I don't know. I don't have a script.
Well, you don't need one. I'm sorry, I'm interjecting over here, but the dog just scratched me.
You realize I'm like going all over the place, right? Because of your dog.
You're going all over the place? What? What do you mean?
Because the camera is going all over the place.
Oh,
You just
I'm
keep moving around
sorry.
because
I'm
of the dog.
sorry. I'm sorry. I'm a bad camera person.
Woman. Okay, I think that's about it. I got nothing else. This is all I wanted to do, was to show the unboxing of these 2 things from Wynn that I got from Amazon. I really wanted to get them from Harbor Freight because these are probably some tools I'm not going to use a whole lot, so I'm not going to put a whole lot of cash into them. And we get there and they had the scroll saw but not the sander.
Yes.
That's it. They had a scroll saw but not the sander. They wouldn't sell me the floor model. So I'm like, really? You want to lose the sale? 2 actually, and they were fine with it. So I said, okay. And as we're trying to wait for them to go look up the sander to see if they have any, I think the nearest one was about just under 50 miles away from us. So I hop on Amazon and I find these 2 items, and they were actually cheaper than Harbor Freight's. And I'd never heard of Harbor Freight's brand's name before, but these 2 I have. So obviously we go with that, free shipping. So, and that leads us to right here. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please like, subscribe, and help the channel. See you next time. Hey, okay, so now that the unboxing's been done and you saw all that, I've had a chance now to use both the scroll saw and the spindle sander on a project that I was doing for my neighbor. Him and his wife had just had a baby recently, and it was a present for them. And literally, it's a present. I'd never seen anything like it before. I found it on another YouTube channel. I'll send you a link to that channel as well. And so that's what I made, and I had to use both of those tools because I didn't have those before, obviously. Okay, so now the review part. We'll start with the scroll saw. Apparently there are a whole bunch of these out there, and they just slap a different name on them. I'm going to be building a flip cart to put this and the spindle sander on, so I'm getting ready to get that started. So this is kind of neat. It's got a little cubby thing here on the side, and all your little tools can go in there. It's not going to matter because when I get that cart done, all those tools will be out, I think, because I try to cram everything in there and it just won't stay. So anyway, you need this bolted down. I had to use my rockler stops at 3 points here because of the vibration is so much that it walks on you. So let me walk around over here to the side. Let's see, it's got a dust port here, which is handy, and it's about the same size as this guy as well, and that's very handy because now I can just put my fez tool hose up to either one of them, and it sucks. So it's got a variable speed, which I don't know why you'd want to go slow. I just kept it at max, and it's got a light, which is kind of dinky, and it flexes, and I don't know, it worked fine. I'll say that it worked fine. There were some times where I got shadow out of that more than anything. So this thing, I get the concept. So as this, can I move anything? Okay, so as, what the hell? This apparatus is moving up and down, right? So it's going to create, it's like a little air pump. And so idea is a little thing in here, and it's supposed to blow away the dust. It doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. I've put my finger, like, well, obviously carefully, right here, and I can barely feel anything. So I don't know why. I'll cut some stuff and I'll stop and I'll blow all the dust away myself and just my own breath. Okay, so like I said, I never used a scroll saw before, so I didn't know really what to expect, except maybe like say the speed of a bandsaw, but that's not the case. When you're cutting with these things, it goes very slowly, and it just feels like it just takes forever because the piece is going and going and going and going and going. It's like, come on, are we done yet? No. Okay. So that's it. This thing was like $100, but I mean, you know what? They're all about $100, and there are some models that are more than that. They're quite a bit more, actually. I think there's some DeWalt's that are in the 3 range. I think that they have another model of one that's in the 3 range, and then there's some in the 700 range. Don't waste your freaking money, pal. Okay? Because if you look at the specs on the high end ones, and then these, the specs are exactly the same. So it is what it is. On to this spindle sander. This is great. I wish I would have got this a long time ago. It's small, compact, it does the job, dust port, yada yada. It's got all your different size sanding apparatuses, and you have the corresponding ring doohickey so you don't drop your stuff in here. I had to get a washer. I had to get a washer for this because I don't know, it wanted to walk off. I wish there was like a pin. I might just drill a hole in here later. Okay, I'm sorry about the technical difficulty. My SD card got really full and it just shut everything off. And I now have dumped everything onto the computer and reformatted the card, and we're back in business. As I was saying before, so rudely interrupted. I wouldn't mind probably drilling a hole in here in the future and then putting a kingpin in here just for a little extra assurance that it's not going to walk off. That's why it's weird, but I had to put this washer down because without the washer, this nut wants to just kind of undo itself, and then this whole thing wants to come off. And then, oh, the other reason why, main reason why I wanted this on is, at least with this guy, so, well, how do I say this? The only way I can do this is show you. I used the neck size up, and the neck size up obviously has the has the rubber insert and then the sander paper around it. This obviously is just the spindle itself. Let's see, the next size. Aha, see? This is the problem. This wants to keep sliding off so easily. That, well, okay. Messed up again. Well, alright, so then you gotta swap out your insert, so that's gonna be the insert. Anyway, let's see if I can. I'm not gonna do this because I only have one free hand. Alright, so imagining this going down further, you need to put this on because, well, this will still stop it. Basically, so, oh man, I have a hard time here. Without something holding this down, this is going to walk away on you, and then it won't spin because there's no grip. This just wants to slide so freely on this guy. This here is spinning. Sometimes this doesn't so much. So that's why I put the washer on that to really hold it down, so it has no choice but to spin. That's my only issue with it. I mean, really. And sometimes, let me say most of the time, it's not an issue, but it's just, I'm just trying to be honest. I'm trying to give you everything I got on this, and I've used this quite a bit. So the project that you've seen in that link, you'll know. Yeah, you had to use it. Hey, there's a reset button down there. I never noticed that before. Squirrel. Okay, that's it. It's a great sander. I like it a lot. This scroll saw, I like it a lot also. I have no regrets on the purchase of both of these. And yes, I did buy these with my own money. They didn't come to me. They don't know who I am. No one knows who I am yet, but I'm working on that. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, smash that whatever that everyone else says, and hit the notification thing so you get more videos that come up, because there will be more. Okay, have a good night. Thank you.